Yes, peeps, bless up on yourself, you see me? Make a quick run through. Yo, Shen, bless up yourself. All is well. Already know it's live and a really my thing, you know? Just a pass through. Yeah, man, bless up one and all. Yeah, man. Rolling people, rolling. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, all is well, man. Just a pass through. Yeah, man, thank you all for being here. It's a quick one, you know? I know, no, always I wonder how not steal the chef, you know? Yeah, man. I hope you guys hearing me still. The OJV, that family, bless up. Teflon Dan, Avian Edwards, bless up. Lady D, Unstoppable. That Gurnett blog. Yeah, man. So you guys hearing me? Let me know if you guys hearing me, please and thanks. Alright. So what you all been up to? Actually, I just finished cooking some dinner, you know. And actually, it's my first time going live direct from the YouTube app. I'm act like him not see me comments, so you look cute though. Yeah, man, enough respect, man. Appreciate that. Yo, tall man, welcome to my place. Cooking with Miss Brown. Yeah, man. Rock can come in now. Come see what a chef look like. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. I don't have a topic, you know. I just say okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a fast like international vibes, entertainment. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. The edge of duty with clear. Yes, sir. Bless up. I know we're not all busy, you know. So I appreciate, you know. Don't worry yourself, Lady B. We're gonna have a whole lot of collabs coming out, you know. I just that me and work right now just crazy, you know. And actually more and do collabs like real collabs, you know, like link up and collab, you know. But right now guys, I'm here working on a recipe. I know you're gonna love that one, you know. I'm working on a Sprite shrimp. It's taking some time, but I will be dropping it very soon. You know, I'm just trying to search for some things that's different, you know. And who want to see the Magnum chicken? International Vibes Entertainment. Yeah, man. Of course, I can get a shout out then. Right now, if I know to interact with the Can get to know them better and them visit the house same speed. Mm-hmm. I don't see nobody say they want to see Magnum chicken, man. Or the Sprite shrimp. Simple things, outreach, media, bless up, bless up. Thank you so much for being here. Just passing through, just saying hi. Just saying hi, Not here for long. I know it's Sunday evening and it's a bit late. And we all have to balance YouTube with our personal life same way. Alright, international vibes, loud and clear. I was just working on a Barbie fry recipe, but I didn't finish it. I didn't finish it. It was just way too tempting. By the time the video finished, I already eat it off, so there's nothing to show. Yeah, man. Eat off the video, man, sir. Yeah, man. There's no video. I'm like how not support the thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I appreciate it a whole lot. Knowing that me a new YouTube and I get so much love, same speed. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. Anybody feels that YouTube is a bed in rose, a bed of roses, and can't think twice. It's a whole lot of work. Alright, one and two people so we must drop the video, which is the Sprite shrimp and the Magnum chicken. Alright. May I work on it, man. Ah, chef, stop shit the phone. You are make me head dizzy. You're nervous, man. Sorry for that. Yeah, man, when I have them fancy gadget like, them tripods and all them things. So, me, I'm a little nervous and have a shake. But I'll try my best to lessen it. The man says she are dizzy. No, sir. Mm-hmm. Fancy thing, tripod and ring light. Right now, see, and I bulb me there. And I bulb. Have them the something there yet. It's a growth. All about all about the growth. I will start from somewhere. Okay, I meet and greet night chatting, man. You see me? Make new friends, same speed. Right now, I know some people are say, then I saw chef look. Oh, chef look like him a lion, so. No, chef not a lion. Chef a tiger. Yo, Taya, welcome. Yeah, man. No love and respect. Yo, Michibo. Checking in from work, yeah, man. That's highly appreciated. Don't know, I go work, YouTube, personal life. It's a hard one to balance. Sashibo, Beaver, welcome, good night. As me say, people, sorry for your shake the phone. It's all about being nervous. mm-hmm. I don't want to feel say some cooking did have go down still, but no, sir. As me I say, I was shooting a video not too long. which is a barbecue fry. And before the video finish, me eat off the chicken. So there's no video. Yeah, you're low. Me a talk loud though. As me say, me a talk loud though, you know. So as I was saying, me eat off the chicken before the video couldn't actually finish. So when I'm gonna learn how to do barbecue fry by me, cause it's so tempting. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And after your face, yeah, see, the upside down too. Yeah, I signed this. Me and this thing. And my first time I use YouTube live, you know, so. Mm-hmm. I'm glad you know, at least I see me and I hear my whispers. Mm-hmm. So anyway, guys, I was doing that video. I don't know. Maybe this would be better, maybe upside down. Let me try and switch something here. Ooh la la. 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 Where is this thing to rotate this thing? Screen. I'm not seeing how to rotate this screen. No, I'm not seeing that. Need to do live more often. Is it that I'm upside it down now, guys? Or is it better? I don't know. I think it might be upside it down. You need to do live more often. Yeah, Miss Chibu, understand. Thank you so much for checking in. Let me know, guys, if I'm sideways or you know. Diamond Trophy, welcome, bless up, bless up. Yeah, man, I want to start with some live cooking, you know, some live cooking. I know, like, I capture my neighbor roost on them thing and cook it show. No? Yeah, man. See, somebody must turn me cam. I don't know what to do right now. I don't know what to do. Not seeing that. Not seeing that. Yo, simple things your neck can hurt or if you turn sideways. Mm-hmm. Who have any wild pig where they at? Want to hunt some wild pig, you know, some wild rabbit and, you know, and turn on the frying pan on them. Oh my goodness, I can't believe Anjay, me head, man, my neck can hurt me. Well, I guess you guys gonna be seeing me half, because it showed me that I'm on the screen fully, but I don't know what to do. I see something. See, wrong. See, me think me I go fix it, and so I no see me frying pan. Big red frying pan and no buck up, you know. Sound low. Master, I don't know if you fix that part there, master. I'm talking very loudly. Very, very loud. Alright then guys, I'm not gonna hold on up too longer, because it seems like this live now I'm gonna really work out at the moment. Some say they seen me half, some say they seen me in triangle, some in circle, some sideways, and some just not hearing me. So guys, I will catch you another time, okay? I mean, I see nobody say them have no wild animal near them. You can come capture them and cook them, sure, no? Alright then guys, guess what? I will catch you guys in another video, okay? Peace out. It's your boy Chef Andre Davy, and thank you so much for checking in. Bye bye.